Assalamu alaikum friends, I am with new video. Oh, the baby's riding a bicycle. Again in outskirts of the village. Beautiful surroundings around me. Uh, you can see ahead of me. Today the day is sunny. Now I want to explore my village. These are cauliflowers, a whole field of cauliflowers. Oh, well played between two children. Oh, again broke down. It's a beautiful shots. Oh, nice one. Oh, again. Oh, it's a government school beside a stream. Oh. Oh, now we reached to our destination. Here, a man sitting. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ठीक है, हालत कैसे यार? Now we are going in Mercedes 35. दोस्तों के साथ अब हम निकले ट्रिप पर जा रहे हैं और बहुत खूबसूरत माहौल बना हुआ है. पीछे एक दोस्त बैठा हुआ है. Now we are going to Kalam and then Kumrat Valley. Here snowfall is very heavy and we want to see that. अब हम पहुंच गए इधर. Now we reached back and assalamu alaikum.